Hello Bladers! So we know for every UFC fighter, not everyone will rise up to fame and be successful. But we got a list for you of some of those UFC fighters who drives the sickest cars. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Here is our list of UFC fighters who drive the wildest cars. Number 1, Derrick Lewis and his twin-turbo Lamborghini Huracan. Derrick Lewis' Lamborghini Huracan was given a makeover and is introduced to a pair of turbos by late-model racecraft, which certainly positions the Italian stallion a long way from its former factory self. Talk about being reinventive. In fact, even with all-wheel drive fully intact, the Lambo seems to be a handful to get under control. Number 2, Tito Ortiz and his Rolls-Royce Phantom. Loving his car so much, it is one of his favorites and he would always take it for a spin. One time he had a bit too much fun and ended up getting into a car accident, causing his car to be damaged. Number 3, Conor McGregor and his Rolls-Royce. After his win in 2015, he definitely rewarded himself with this baby. Coming in at $533,000, it's one of the most expensive Rolls-Royces you can get your hands on. Not only is it gorgeous, but it's also the pinnacle of luxury. Number 4, Jon Jones and his Bentley Continental GT. After defeating 2 champions in UFC, Jon rewarded himself with this beautiful car. This $190,000 whip comes complete with a 567 horsepower, V12, twin-turbocharged, all-wheel drive engine. A car fit for a champion. Number 5, Israel Adesanya and his 2019 McLaren 720 Spider. This Nigerian-born fighter, after the times he has tried to adjust to the international living, celebrated his second-round triumph at Melbourne's Marvel Stadium by splashing out on a new set of wheels, valued at more than $650,000. Talk about the hard work pays off. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.